How to get the Notes app back on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. As you can see, you cannot find the Notes app over here. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Go to the search bar and type in Notes. You can now find and open the Notes app from here. This means that you might have removed this app from your home screen previously. Doing this removes the app from the home screen but keeps the app in your app library. Press and hold the app and drag it to your home screen. Place it anywhere you like. And then, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily get the Notes app back on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.